Come and have a look at it. As you can see here behind me, plenty of tents, people camping. Totally legal here, free campsite. And you can see here on the other side there's this black fence. This is for the Marines. It seems very temporary. It seems like they haven't been here very long. But they were out here this morning doing their drills. As you can see here, good spot to go camping. Looks like a pretty quiet beach, bit windy. I walked out to the water yesterday. It's quite muddy, but probably because we've had rain for the last couple of days. But yeah, we're going to move on and find a nicer beach and hopefully get a swim in before we get back to the land. And there's us over there. And behind us is the Marine Corps, but I don't think I should be filming that. This is where we stayed for the last couple of nights. 2 nights. Pouring down rain. Both days. Look, there's Jeremy, Detchu Gang. Oh my goodness. Super cuties. Oh my goodness. Super cute. I could see Kangan, Detchu, Sudal and Jomi when I was walking back. Super cute. Super cuties. Oh, you're reading? She's reading, everybody. Wow. There's one bag in the rubbish bin, but it's like, it's tossed in there. It's so dirty. We better just find another rubbish bin to get rid of them. Come down and get the almond milk.
Ice cream.
It looked like they had a little almond breeze.
Was it?
They had a little almond breeze. Oh, look at the hair, get the hair out.
About 600 meters ahead, there is a traffic enforcement camera of red light offenses at 60 kilometers per hour. You are near your waypoint.
South.
Yeah, south, huh?
The right
It's the way. Okay, so.
Get going. Oh no.
What, we gotta stop here?
Is that where we have to go?
Yeah, no, the policeman or something was getting you to open your window. Where? Just stay in this lane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Gotcha.
sure.
They just keep left, mate. Yeah, we went in from that side. When can I change my lanes? Because I gotta get over to that lane. Now? Oh, you got him anyway.
About 600 meters ahead and 6 take the right lane towards.
They're doing something
About
out there.
300 meters ahead and 6 take the right lane towards.
So you still,
In a minute,
that's
take
not
the
finished
right
up there. Mate, last time we came here, there was heaps of people.
Oh, they're doing something.
They are doing something there. We can't walk the dogs out there.
You've arrived
We
at your
got this
destination.
area over here.
Park next to the caravan?
Yeah, that's where we were last time. We reversed in
Yeah.
last time. Couldn't walk out here. Which side of the caravan? We want to be on the water side. Reversing it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same spot we parked
Oh, it
here
is,
last
yeah.
time.
Oh, there's two spots there.
Oh,
We want to be on the edge.
park here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you still get down there, or? Well, that's all blocked off, eh? It says camping prohibition, mate. Prohibition. Kamikagunji.
깨끗한 새만금을 위하여 쉼터내 야영 금지.
맞아?
We're back. We remember.
The puppies haven't been here. Kane and Dad should be in here. No camping allowed?
Hey, Sudo.
This is where we came last night, guys. There's a sign up there that says no camping allowed, no camping cars. So probably shouldn't recommend it here. It's a great little area to stop by. Got these tables and chairs, covered area. We came by here 2 years ago, and there was no sign saying camping prohibited. So we stayed here, and it was great. We wanted to come back here. So where we are is it's reclaimed land. This used to just be ocean, and there's a set of islands out here. Sunyudo, I think I made a video about them 2 years ago. Put the drone up. Just a really good place to come and have a break. There's a park over the side there. Currently they're doing construction over there, so I didn't get to get over there. But yeah, just a nice quiet area to stop and have a break. And we're gonna go find the beach to have a swim because it's like 33 degrees or something. But if you do come here, the mosquitoes are really bad. Make sure you cover up. Don't be like me. Make sure you wear long sleeves, long pants, socks and shoes. Don't get eaten alive out here. My Bowie's barking at me. Where you barking, Bowie? Oh, this guy's there. Come out here, it's the police boat, police pontoon, the police, water police were out here earlier. Hang on, stop it. This guy's going to come over here soon. Sign over here, camping prohibition. It's not meant to camp here anymore. When we came through here 2 years ago, this place was packed. There was chemicals everywhere, not parked in the right spots because they don't take their rubbish with them. But we're clean people, we take our rubbish everywhere we go. Apples. Water pipe that we didn't have to use because the tank's too full. Watermelon. Some more apples.
Apple Buddha.
We've got lots of apples.
Hey, Dinah.
Oh my god.
Hey, Zoodown.
Back up wee bottle.
Hey, Zoodown. Hey, Dinah. Hey, Zoodown. Aw, you missing it, right? Hey, baby.
Drink the water. And that's how long it takes us, 13 minutes. Alright. Be good, be ready to run. 5 minutes to 12. Get to the beach park. Have some watermelon.
Some watermelon. We got one noodle left.
We're filming, darling.
Oh.
Thank you. Talking about
Thinking
good things.
You're gonna edit it?
Well, I didn't want to. I wanted to say that we're going to have watermelon. We're going to enjoy
Do it
swimming
again then.
the beach. I'm going to put this in, don't worry.
Bye bye. Such a great memories. That you, right? Do you remember that you? She came back with her puppies.
She did.
You came back with your puppies, Joey.
Did we get the poo bags from the front? Sorry.
Hey, Johnny. Dino pocket doodle. Kangy. I'm sure you remember Kangan.
Here's the camping car city up here too.
About
go around
300
that way.
meters ahead,
Don't
at the
stop at the
roundabout,
lights
take
there.
the 1 o'clock position of the second exit
Look at these
towards.
guys. They're just camping there.
In a minute, there's a speed bump.
Look at them. They're having a good time. That, I've surely saw that one somewhere before, the orange with all the photos.
In a minute, at the roundabout, take the 1 o'clock position of the second exit.
I wonder if the sign down here's got Kamikar Gunji. And that's why they're all up here. But they used to be down here too.
Continue straight until you hear the next instruction.
They still be down here. Oh yeah, it's got the sign there now. There's nobody down there. It's all camping prohibited like we were last night. So that's why they're all camping up here. Because there's no sign that says camping prohibited. Okay, so we're back at the land. It's been 2 weeks since we left. Come and check out our veggies. Absolutely crazy how much they've grown. So it's been pretty much a wet season for the last 2 weeks while we've been away. So it's been raining almost every day, and there's been a few days where it hasn't been raining, but check out our plants. So these are the tomatoes. These are tiny when we left. We put a row of radishes in there, but they never came up. And then we've got some carrots. These are the carrots that we planted, and this is spinach. And then we got some zinnias in here. We got one kale there, which has been absolutely destroyed by the caterpillars. We got beetroots coming up over there. And we had some celery in here. I don't think any celery came up, but they usually take 3 weeks to come up. And we had some old broccoli seeds. They didn't come up either. And over here we got the coriander. It's flourishing. And we got the radishes in the middle, which have all been eaten by the caterpillar as well. We've got to make sure we get on top of those caterpillars. And then over here you can see that the kale got destroyed as well by the caterpillars. And they're on there now having a feast. The marigolds haven't flowered yet. I thought they're meant to keep away the caterpillars and stuff. The arugula or the rocket's been destroyed. This is it here. It's still growing, but it's pretty much turned to grass. Still got some leek in here, which we planted the tops of the leek over here. Along here, they all looking pretty healthy. We've got some celery, 2 bunches of celery. The lettuce went to seed. Some chives, which need harvesting. One last radish, which we was trying to get seeded, but it also got chewed apart. And then we got some capsicums in here. Third garden bed hasn't had anything planted, that's why we've come back, but it's super soggy and wet. And then the corn. Corn's looking alright. Soil needs to be fixed up around the roots. And this corn needs to be fertilised. And it's still raining. Beautiful.